Thinking about which digital audio workstation will work best for music production in 2026? At the moment, you have two main choices, Reaper and Cubase. Here's a breakdown of which is the better choice for you. Reaper is well known for its fast, efficient performance and customizability. The program loads instantly, is compatible with most computer systems, and allows users a great deal of freedom to manipulate its interface and functionality. What really sets Reaper apart, though, is its pricing structure. Reaper comes with a fully functional trial version and a discount license that is often referred to as one of the most budget friendly paid digital audio workstations. Reaper has become increasingly popular among users looking for an adaptable and straightforward software suite for recording, editing, and mixing audio, particularly with the recent version 7.x update system. On the contrary, Cubase can be considered a powerhouse digital audio workstation that has been around in the music production industry for a long time now. The DAW offers an extensive suite of built in tools for composing, arranging, and songwriting using MIDI instruments. For those working extensively with virtual instruments and orchestration, Cubase is definitely a better choice compared to FL Studio due to its extensive capabilities in this area. It also provides a refined stock ecosystem, making it a good choice for musicians wanting a ready made solution. Most importantly, having switched to software licensing from the outdated USB dongle method, Cubase is now easier than ever to use. So, which one is the better digital audio workstation? Reaper always takes the cake for affordability, customization, and efficiency, while Cubase usually beats out of MIDI integration, musical capabilities, and everything in one DAW design. Reaper should be your go to option if you work with bands or heavily process your recordings, while Cubase is your best bet when working extensively with MIDI files, virtual instruments, and other compositional elements. Ultimately, Reaper is a better option if you're looking for a fast and customizable DAW at an affordable price point, while Cubase is the right pick if you're after powerful composition capabilities and an integrated approach to production. Go for whichever aligns better with your workflow. The best DAW will keep you producing on a regular basis.